Hello everyone, this is Afra from Quick WordPress Websites. In this video, we will see how to sell digital products in Etsy. That product can be instantly and automatically downloadable. So let's see here, there's a PDF book we are selling. So this PDF book is a digital download and digital file is PDF is attached. When the buyer pays, he can automatically download the digital file. You no need to send it manually. Similarly, you can see here another two digital zip files attached, and the third thing you can see here, multiple digital files in multiple type like 3 zip files, one document and other. So let's see how to do this. First of all, if you don't have any seller account on Etsy, please click the affiliate link I have provided. If you click the affiliate link, you will get 40 free items for listing. After that, you will be charged $0.2. Please click that link and open the shop. So now click open a shop today. So here you can log in through your username and password, or else you can continue with the Google. So I am continuing with Google. Okay, now I have logged in. So get started. I just click let's do this. So I just start itself and click next. So you can skip these steps and start your shop. Okay, so here you can select your language. So if it is English, so select your country. If you are from India, you can select India or USA, and you can select the currency. So better to have with the US dollar, and save and continue. So shop name, you can create a shop name. So I am okay. Now this name is available, so I am save and continue. Let's add primary and other images. So I click add a photo. So you can select multiple photos. So I am selecting 2 photos and click open. So now you can interchange the primary and other photos. So I want this primary is. So if you want, you can interchange, or else you can keep this one. Right. So this is my primary photo, and other photos you can add. You can add up to 10 photos, and you can adjust the thumbnail image. If the image is big, you can adjust. So I can adjust this as the thumbnail image. Okay, and save. If you want, you can add any videos, but I am skipping that step. The video file should be less than 100 MB. And shall we give a title? So this is my title, and who made it. So if you done, you can select editor. So another company or person. A finished product. So it is 2020. So category. So you can give a category. So this book is regarding the website. So I am selecting as website. So it's website design and template. So I select this category. So you can select primary color, or you can keep as default. So other optional items you want, you can put, or else you can leave. So here you have to select. If you want to automatically renew, you can keep this one, or else I can make it manual. So manually, when the listing is expired, I can manually relist if I want. Then this is very important part. As you are selling digital products, you have to select this one. Okay, so it's a digital file. So a description, I just copy paste a description. If you want, you can emphasize this is instant downloadable PDF file. So if you are selling someone else product like book, it will ask the production partner as a compulsory. So to avoid this, you go back to a earlier part, and here about the listing, who made it, make it I did. So if you make it I did, no need to add the production partner. So easily you can skip that part. Here you can add relevant tags. Tags are very important for the search engine optimization. So when you put tags, it will easily appear on top of Google search and other searches. So this is regarding a book of WordPress websites. I am putting the relevant tag as WordPress websites, PDFs, and something. Also, you can add any ingredients if you want. Then come to the price. So if you want, so I can put 1.99 as a price, and quantity you can add any quantity. So I'm adding 50. In personalization, you can open that and you can give some instructions for buyers. So you can give any instructions, and here you have to upload the file. So I'm uploading this PDF file. So open. So first PDF file we have added. So you can add another file. Let's see a zip file. If you want, you can add a zip file. Please note that HC will allow you to apply only 20 MB of files and also 5 types of file. So if you have a big file more than 20 MB, what you can do is you can uh, upload the file into Google Drive or Dropbox or mega.nz, then create a link. For example, I can show you. So in this notepad I have done is, please download here. I have given a mega link. So it's a very big file. So that file uploaded in the mega, and I have added that link. So as an instruction, I am giving this. So you can upload this instruction. So once the buyer is clicked, they will download a instruction file with the link. So they can go to that link and download, because the file is more than 20 MB. If you have less than 20 MB, you can directly upload here. So that's all. So save and continue. Okay. So then it will ask add more listing. So if you want, you can add more listing and you can do a setup. So here you can add more listings, or else you just keep one listing and save and continue. Now it will ask the payment methods. So I have given the country as India. So India payment is available in the region. So you can add PayPal. So existing payment method is PayPal. Then you can add the PayPal account detail confirmation and you can save and submit. So now all the changes have been changed. So if you are from UK, USA, you can directly add your bank account. So depend on your country, you can select your payment methods. Then save and continue. So here set up billing. So you can set up your billing, or else so you can add your credit card, or else you can pay with PayPal. So I am adding pay with PayPal. Okay, now all the payment methods are set, and click continue. So set up two-factor authentication. So you have to set up the phone number and to send a code. So you all set. So HC account is now protected by SMS two-factor authentication. You can change this anytime your account settings. Save your backup codes. So this is the backup codes. Once all are done, click open your shop. Then click continue to your shop. It will take few seconds. Now your shop is open for business. But as I am a new seller and new to XC, it want to verify our detail. Here Elegant Web Page is currently not selling on Etsy. You have to verify your account to straight away going for the selling. So please check your email. So in the email I have got a message, verify your Etsy shop. So click that email. Our sellers are required to go through a verification process at the time of shop setup. As a part of this process, we require you to submit details via this form. So click that form. It will ask the basic details like email, full name, shop URL, phone number, country code, an alternative contact name, an address detail, date of birth, gender, and most importantly, national verification ID. Yes, I am given my country as India. It will be asking Aadhaar, PAN, or driving license or passport. If you give other country detail, for example, if you give UK, it will ask for the residence permit and other details relevant to that country. Verification will take around 48 hours. Once it's done, your shop will be visible. So here you can see the listed product, and you can edit that product again if you want. Here you can click and you can view the product in the Etsy. Wow, now product is visible for listing, and you can see the prices. And here in the highlights you can see is a digital download and digital files available, PDF, text, and other zip file. So multiple files are available, and your description you can see. So that's it. So please subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.